I can't do it. Ah, I can't. I literally want to stop. I literally want to knit stockinette and just.
No, we got this.
This is day 4 of me trying to knit the Why is it focusing on her? Put it on me.
Because she's more important.
Shh. No, I don't like you being blurred, Maniki. This is day 4 of me trying to knit the Korshavn sweater in 7 days. 7 days, and this is my progress so far. Today I am, all right, okay, that's enough you time. Today I'm going to be splitting for the sleeves, so basically binding off for the sleeve armhole, and then working on the front and back section of the sweater, and then we'll see what I get into after that. So let's get it. So I decided to move on to the next part without my sisters because they're still on the part I finished yesterday today. So I was like, okay, let me move on and, you know, do my thing. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I moved on and I just don't understand the pattern. Like, it doesn't make sense to me.
It's like this one small part too. It's not like it's a huge part.
And then it's like we don't know if it matters.
I think it's a translation issue. So
yeah, because I know how I would explain it if what I'm assuming this is what she meant, but I don't know what she meant, and so I'm
it's
just
like the pattern makes sense. There's just no extra explanation for this literal one teeny eensy wincy small part that will make or break the pattern.
Right, because my yarn overs aren't lining up with my previous yarn overs, but I don't know if that's intentional. I don't know if it'll line up when I do the front and back section of the sweater. So it's like I don't know what it's supposed to be like. And then when I finished what the section I was doing, what am I trying to say? When I finished the section I was doing, the chart didn't add up. So I didn't finish on the part I was supposed to with the chart. Like I need like one more stitch or something, and I don't have that. So I'm like, was that intentional or did I mess up? Like, I don't know. It's weird. So I'm just gonna think back to the beginning and then try something else. I'm literally trial and erroring this.
You should check on Ravelry and see, because people like to write their notes on there.
True.
And see if anyone talked about it.
I feel like this is the salty days all over again.
Yeah, except this isn't a mistake.
Yeah. Right, that salty days was crazy. Anyway, let me see what I can do.
And it's always you discovering stuff.
I know, because I knit small, so I get to stuff quicker.
Oh yeah, true.
Anyway, we'll figure something out. Okay, Kalila figured it out. It's 4 p.m. and I haven't knitted anything, like anything at all. I'm still trying to figure out how to position this.
She's not lying.
Yes, I haven't knitted a thing. I'm still on the same part I was last night, basically. Because I had to tink back, undo this, undo that, all of that. Why does my stuff keep making myself right? Anyway, I'm just gonna see what I can get to tonight because it's literally 4. Like, I'm gonna have to stay up to at least, like, tomorrow is day 5, and then after that there's just 2 more days, and I still have to do the sleeves. The sleeves.
And a yoke.
Well, I'm gonna try and finish the yoke tonight, so.
Oh, okay. You know that includes the front and back.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, just making sure.
So, you know, we'll see what I can get up into so that tomorrow I can just seam up the shoulders, do the collar, and start on the sleeve. And then I'll have 2 days to do the sleeves. That's my goal. Also, I keep tapping the window on accident. Anyway, I'm not knitting textured. Don't ask me to.
Yes, you will.
Don't request anything.
Don't listen to her, because yes, she will. But I don't know why we keep getting these texture patterns that need help.
Yes, it's literally not us. So it's not an us problem. It's the pattern not explaining well and then us having to guess what the pattern means. Exactly. That's the problem, which is annoying. And I feel like I'm very bright, but I don't even care. No, she's filming me. Anyway, let's just get it. So I made this bet with Kalila that every time I make a mistake, like, and she has to undo the mistake I made, I have to pay her $20. So I said if I rack up to $60, so basically I have 2 times, basically 2 freebies, I still have to pay her. So let's say I mess up twice, that's 20, 40, right? And if I have to get her help a 3rd time, which is 60, I have to pay her that 60 up front, right? Yeah. This pattern, by the end of this, she might get $200 because I can't do it. I can't. I literally want to stop. I literally want to knit stockinette and just.
No, we got this. We got this. What's your next project?
The cur.
Oh, perfect. I hate that you say it like that. It's the Korshavn Sweater, guys. She's just saying it like that. The Korshavn Sweater, perfect. That's stockinette for so long until you do stockinette color work.
I can do color work. This is textured. I don't want to do again.
No, I know. I'm saying at least you'll have a nice little break for the next project.
Hey, I will have a nice little break with color work.
Yes, because it's just
in a round that I haven't done ever.
Okay, but you knitted color work flat, so in a round is even better.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go pay her the $60 because I have capped it, and let's see if I owe her. I'll tell you guys the total by the time I'm done with this sweater. So far it's $60 that I'm paying her. We'll see what I get up to, basically. Alright, bye.
Let me know if you need any more help. Let me know, girl. Let me know. I'm $60 richer.
This sweater. I don't like it. Literally, leave it up to me. I would literally stop knitting this and go to the next project I have planned.
No, she will not finish. She will not.
Yes, I will not finish it. Bro, it's so annoying because why do we have a chart? Why do we have a chart that we can't follow? Make it make sense. Why do we have a chart we can't follow? Yeah, I don't know about the 7-day challenge, guys. This might be the first time I don't make it.
We will make it.
We'll see. We'll see what happens. Because right now, it is not looking up. It's looking down. Anyway, it's time to go suffer some more. Later. So finally, I got here. And that's all I got for tonight. Yeah, this is how crazy I look. This sweater took me out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, this is exactly 23.
The way she sounds so. We'll see you guys tomorrow. This is too much for today. Bye.
I feel like a mad scientist.
No, literally.